Transform your yard into paradise in one day using the Aquascape Backyard Waterfall Landscape Fountain Kit. A recirculating waterfall adds beauty and elegance to any backyard, garden, or landscape. With the Aquascape Backyard Waterfall Landscape Fountain Kit, creating a beautiful, low-maintenance waterfall is faster and easier than ever. The waterfall works by pumping water contained in a large in-ground reservoir up and through the waterfall spillway, allowing the water to flow back down into the reservoir. This simple recirculation system requires very little maintenance and is easy to install. The Aquascape Backyard Waterfall is ideal for families with young children or pets that love to play in water. The Aquascape Backyard Waterfall Landscape Fountain Kit includes everything needed to build a one-of-a-kind waterfall in any setting. You will need to purchase 12 to 15 basketball-size rocks and 4 to 6 50-pound bags or buckets of gravel for installation. Rock and gravel can be purchased at garden centers, rock yards, or home improvement stores. Add a little creativity and water, then watch your waterfall come to life. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion.